A block of metal, aluminum, or steel, maybe titanium. Eventually, it's going to help a rocket soar or increase a car's fuel economy or give someone a fresh start without hip pain. We believe you should have the tools to bring metal to life. Want to use the conversational control to make it? Do it. Want to use G-code? You can do that too. Now take the technology and pair it with machines you can rely on and a support team that's just as reliable. You are unstoppable.
We call it Mind Over Metal, the belief that every machining problem is solvable by the right tools and the right mindset.
There's no one way to make a part. There's just your way. And we'll help you find it. Hurco. Mind over metal.